Yes. So very warm afternoon to you, sir. And how are you?
Yeah, good, good. I'm good. What about you?
Yes, everything is fine. Thank you so much for asking that. So as we are meeting very first time, okay. So I think I want you to introduce yourself.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I'm Srijit. I'm from India. I'm 35 years old.
Mhm.
Currently, I am working in Qatar. Right now, I am calling from Qatar, actually.
You are living in Qatar now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
And
great.
my hobby is driving and playing cricket.
Good.
Yeah, yeah. These are about me.
Okay, thank you so much for introducing yourself. So let me introduce myself. Well, this is Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from India, and I'm from especially Bihar. And if I talk about my educational qualification, I'm an arts graduate, and nowadays I am working on YouTube, and I'm a part-time English trainer. I train to the people how to speak English and how to be a great public speaker. And talking about my interest, I love making videos, and I love meeting with the new people. I love meeting new people. So that's it. So may I know that why are you learning English? Because you are doing a job and you are living in Qatar. So may I know the reason that why are you learning this?
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Actually, I am a little bit serious from past few months actually. Actually, I have been working here past 14 years.
Good.
Yeah, but few months I take little bit serious for about fluent talking English. Nowadays, I feel to move some better option. That means better job. I try to some other jobs. Actually, I feel I want to move some Europe somewhere. Yeah, that's why the language is very essential. That's why I take little bit serious. Then I join a spoken English course also.
Good.
Yeah.
I love to know that how long have you been living in Qatar?
Yeah, I have been living Qatar in past 14 years.
14 years. I think it's been
Yeah,
a
yeah.
time. You have been staying there.
Yeah. But actually, why I learned English properly because in here everywhere we can met with Indian, mostly in the Asian countries people. That means India, Nepal, uh, Bangladesh, same like that countries. That's why we don't want to uh, use English not much more. Everywhere in Indian people, it's Hindi is enough everywhere.
Okay, so in which language do you speak there? I think you speak and you talk with the people in English, or you speak any other language over there.
Actually, most of the people we talk mingling with Hindi
Mhm.
because whenever I go any location for my uh, working site, it's a huge compound area. It's included a lot of offices, hospital building, university, schools. Did you hear about the Qatar Foundation?
I haven't heard.
Yeah. It's a huge educational purpose compound actually. This one. Yeah, it's a huge area for the education related to the education. Yeah, it's a huge area. But actually, we don't want to talk much more in English because yeah, all the location I met with Indian people.
Yes, I think
That's why.
most of the people they are living in Qatar, who are from India.
Yeah.
Oh, so
And very few.
where are you from in India?
Sorry,
So where are you from?
Kerala. Yeah, Kerala.
You're from Kerala,
Yeah, yeah.
but I think that the person who is from Kerala, okay, they are good at English because I think your native language is English. Kerala people.
No, no, no. My native language is Malayalam, but in Kerala, the most almost what we can say almost 90
People are
99%, yeah, 99 percentage people are educated very well.
yeah. The ratio of
Yeah,
Kerala
yeah.
99.
That's why they are a little bit knowledge about English and all the activities actually. But the speaking skill is little bit
That's a
down.
that's a different
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah. They know everything. They can understand what the other person saying. They can understand, but the communication skill little bit down.
They are somewhere lack in when it comes to communication, when it comes to talking in English language. Okay, they are incomplete.
Yeah, yeah. They are little bit uncomfortable actually.
Okay,
But
well, yeah.
but but they know what the other person convey to him. They know actually, but they are not fluent to convey their
And
myself. Yeah,
okay,
that's the only issue.
that's really
Yeah, that's
interesting.
why lot of online spoken English courses going on in Kerala.
So, do you take any courses nowadays?
Yeah, yeah. Past couple of months, I started to join a spoken English course.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's going on.
You are taking classes, online classes.
Yeah, yeah. For the grammatical areas actually. Actually,
Are you
I can speak English because from I have experience to mingle with the foreign people as
Mhm.
a part of my job here. That's why I know how to speak actually, but the grammar area is very weak.
Okay, but so far, I have experienced that. Okay, whatever you are saying, whatever you are speaking, okay, you didn't make any grammar mistake. You are speaking so nice. So don't think that.
But
Never think that yeah, I'm weak in grammar portion. Okay, well, you are a good speaker. There is no doubt.
yeah, but I don't feel that one actually. I know myself. That's why nowadays also when I talking to like this conversation,
Hmm?
actually I am nowadays I am studying for the grammatic area, but when our talking I can include that proper portion maybe. Actually, I
Mhm.
am little bit speed when my talk. It's my
Oh, that's normal. That's normal.
yeah,
You,
and
they
yeah, when I joined this app Skype for this group, then I realized okay, I want to control my speed. Then I can realize what they asking, what I want to tell the other person. Then I will realize myself. Okay, I want to make
I
little
have
bit
to.
slow. Yeah,
Okay, great, great, great. So, is your family living in India?
yeah. My family living in India, Kerala. Yeah,
So, are
I
you
am
living
alone.
with your family? Are you living there with your wife and your children in Qatar?
No, 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 no. All are in Kerala.
They all are living in Kerala.
Yeah, yeah. I don't have any family facility here.
So, do you come to India on any festival?
Not a festival. I get 2 month vacation for 2 year.
Okay.
That,
During
that that's my,
2 years, okay, you get vacation or you get holiday for 2 months.
2 month only. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So, is there anything from your side you want to ask?
Actually, I am not uh, what I said. My problem, actually, if someone asks me, then uh, I can speak something. Otherwise, I am not a good questioner actually.
Oh my God. So you don't know how to ask the question. So I think in this area you are weak.
Yeah. That's why I don't want. That's why I can apply how to ask a question. Like when we ask questions in English, okay, we using do you want, or did you go? Then
Yeah.
we want to use that phrases. That's why I am little bit weak. Actually, I don't come any questions. That's why I can't apply that phrases.
But you need to try because nothing goes to try. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you start making the sentences, then automatically you will start making.
Yeah.
Just make it make it your strong point, your strong area.
Oh,
Because
yeah, sure.
if you think that I'm weak in asking the question, then day by day you will become decreased, and you will day by day you will become lazy to make question.
Yeah. Actually, I am think myself. Okay, if this situation I want to ask like this, I want to ask like this. Okay, I think, but when I try to speak, it will all will collapse. When I studied,
You start making.
when I studied, all will collapse. Then I think which one I want to use, will be, or do you, or should I, like this. Yeah. That's the main problem.
That's not a problem. That's a very normal problem. Okay, you can get rid of this problem. Okay, but if this is not a problem, okay, I think it's all about the practice. Okay, if you more practice, the more you practice, better you're gonna learn. So I think
Yeah.
start making the questioning. Okay, and try to ask the question to yourself. Like when you are in the field, when you are in the car, when you are in the kitchen. Okay, then ask to yourself. Okay, what's your name? What do you do, Mr. Srijit? Your name is Srijit?
Yeah.
What do you do, Mr. Srijit? And ask to yourself, like when do you get up in the morning? You also ask the in this kind of question and reply. Okay, when do you get up in the morning? Okay. Oh, you get up in the morning at 7 o'clock. Okay, so just tell me, Srijit. Okay, after just getting up, where do you go? Oh, you don't know. I go for a walk. Oh, so at what time do you go on walk? Yes, I go to work at 9 a.m. Oh, so do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy my job. So in this way, you start asking the question. That is very simple.
Okay.
Trust me. It's been 7 and 6 year experience. Okay, I have been teaching English, so I think that if you apply in this way, then definitely you will get the improvement.
Yeah, sure. Actually, how long have you been doing this job?
Sorry,
How long?
how long I have been learning English?
Yeah.
I have been learning English for 7 years, 7 and 6 years. Yeah, that's
Still
why
long.
I have experienced about this language, and whatever I'm telling you, definitely it will work. Once you implement in yourself, then definitely you will see the remarkable change in the way you communicate, the way you ask the question.
Yeah, sure. Did
Being
you
a
did you did you go any other countries? Did you work some other countries?
no, I'm just a student, and I'm only 24 years old. Okay, so I didn't get chance to go any outside. Even I one time I only went to Delhi. There is the only one state in India I have been there. Only Delhi.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah,
Actually, where are you live now?
I'm living in village, and the state Bihar.
Bihar. Okay.
Have you heard about Madhubani painting? Have you heard about Madhubani painting?
Madhumani planting.
Painting. It is
Painting.
it is famous worldwide. It is famous worldwide. Madhubani painting. It is also called Mithila painting.
It's what kind of thing this one?
It is the kind of drawing the picture like that.
Yeah. That one, it's a historical or
No, no, it's not a historical place or anything else. It's the kind of art, just making
ah,
with the the brush and with the color.
I didn't hear actually. I
I will
heard.
send you. I will send you the picture. Then you will come to know that what is Madhubani painting, and it is
Ah,
so beautiful. It is so beautiful. When you will watch it, when you will see, then definitely you will you will say that wow, it's looking so beautiful.
okay. Let's see. Actually,
Okay,
what's the time now there?
it's a 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock
Okay.
in the
Here,
evening.
here 1:30.
1:30.
Yeah,
Yes.
2.5 hour difference.
Have you done your lunch?
Yeah, just finished now.
Just finished now. So are
I
you
get
married,
only.
or are
Yeah,
you?
yeah. I'm married. I am married. I have a daughter.
Okay, so you have one daughter.
Yeah, yeah. She is in 7 years old.
My God. And I'm happy to meet you. Okay, because this is the very first time. Okay, uh, I'm just talking to the guy who lives in Qatar, and I'm really glad to meet you. Because
Yeah.
when I see profile, that I thought that okay, you are from outside. I think you are from the other country, because your facial expression is totally different. You
Yeah,
look so handsome.
actually, yeah, my hair almost all fall. That's why, yeah,
That's
that's why I use like this model. Actually, I always use the trimmer for trim.
the you look like villain type of person.
Yeah.
Don't take it seriously, okay? I was just kidding.
No. It's I like jokes.
Okay. So okay, I think almost today I think you got tired, okay? So when you want to talk to me, okay, then you can call me and then you can message me,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah, I will because actually I get only free time like this lunch break. Otherwise, I will be busy because if I don't any appointment because sometimes I was on driving.
So are you on YouTube as well?
Sorry,
Are you on YouTube as well?
YouTube.
Do you use YouTube?
I use YouTube, but I don't have any account.
You don't have access.
No, I don't have any channel. I don't have any YouTube channel, but I watch YouTube.
Okay. So have you gone through my channel? I'm a YouTuber as well.
Yeah, I will try. Don't worry because you just send the link. I will check out.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, okay, for having your time here, okay, and it was such
Yeah,
a listen with you.
thank you so much to share your time with me because this is the my third conversation. Actually
It was it
I
was
done.
it was pleasure for me that okay, because I just got a chance to talk to you, because you are
Yeah,
very
actually I want to.
right.
Yeah, I want to ask one thing. How do you feel while our talking? How much I am fluent? Means it's.
Absolutely, I enjoyed a lot. Okay, and your way of speaking is nice, but you need to work on your questioning. And sometimes you repeat the same word you speak again and again. Okay, so you should work over there, and all the things is good.
Yeah. Because I want to find out my weak part, and I can manage that one. That's why I ask you like this.
Learners. Even I can see myself. I'm a learner, so I should improve myself. By the way, in the same way, you can improve yourself, and one day you will be perfect.
Yeah. Next time I will try to ask some questions. If not, how to say, if I will.
You will, and if you face any problem, okay, then you can write the question. You can write the question.
Yeah. That's why I mean. I will prepare.
Hello.
Yeah.